Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing ripe apples. Mix sweet and tart to balance flavor, because sugar affects yield and taste. Once done, wash and quarter, remove cores. You do not need to peel, which saves time. Make sure to sanitize the press parts and the receiving container with hot water or 70% plus alcohol. This prevents off flavors. Place the press on a firm, level surface, position a bucket under the spout, and have your pressing cloths ready to avoid clogging. You load the apples in even layers, alternating cloth so juice can flow. This prevents channeling and increases extraction. Once loaded, begin turning the screw or running the pump slowly. Apply pressure in controlled increments and pause when you feel resistance, because rapid force forces pulp through cloth and causes clogging. As juice runs, collect it in stages. When flow diminishes, release pressure, rearrange and compress the pomace again to squeeze more liquid. This stage, you finish pressing when the pomace feels dry and fibrous. Stop there to avoid extracting bitter tannins from seeds and cores. Once done, strain the collected juice through a fine mesh or double-layered cheesecloth to remove sediment. Then chill immediately or pasteurize for longer storage, because temperature and microbes determine shelf life. If the press clogs or stops yielding, relieve pressure, add a small trickle of water to flush, or open and relayer the pulp. This clears passages and lets you continue without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.